excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I need to go to City Hall. Which line should I take?
You are on line 2 now. You need to go to Central Station and transfer to line 1.
How many stops is Central Station from here?
It is 4 stops from here.
Do I need to buy a new ticket when I transfer?
No, your ticket works for the transfer. Just tap your card at the gate.
Okay. Which side of the platform should I stand on?
Stand on the left side. The train going toward Northgate will come there.
How long does it take to get to Central Station?
About 8 minutes.
And after I transfer, how many stops to City Hall?
Just 2 stops on line 1.
Is there a sign that shows me where to transfer?
Yes. When you get off at Central Station, follow the blue signs. They say transfer to line 1.
What if I miss my stop?
Just get off at the next stop and take a train back. It is easy.
How often does the train come?
Every 5 minutes during the day.
That is good. Does this train go to Central Station first, or does it stop somewhere else?
It stops at Market Square first, then Riverside, then Park Avenue, then Central Station.
So 4 stops. Got it. Is City Hall Station easy to find from the exit?
Yes. When you come out of the station, City Hall is right in front of you.
That is very helpful. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good trip.
Hi. Does this bus go to the airport?
No, this bus does not go to the airport. You need bus 77 for that.
Where can I catch bus 77?
You can catch it at the stop across the street. Walk straight and turn left at the corner.
How long do I have to wait for bus 77?
It comes every 15 minutes.
Do I need to transfer?
Yes. You take bus 77 to Downtown Terminal. Then you get on bus 22. That one goes directly to the airport.
How much is the fare?
It is $2.50 for each bus. Or you can buy a day pass for $5.
The day pass sounds better. Where do I buy it?
You can buy it from me right now or at the ticket machine near the bus stop.
I will buy it from you. Here is $5.
Thank you. Here is your day pass. Keep it with you all day.
How do I use it on the bus?
Just show it to the driver when you get on. Do not put it in the machine.
Okay. How many stops is Downtown Terminal from the bus 77 stop?
About 6 stops. It takes around 20 minutes.
And how long from Downtown Terminal to the airport on bus 22?
About 30 minutes. The airport is the last stop, so you cannot miss it.
Great. Does bus 22 run late at night?
Yes. The last bus leaves Downtown Terminal at 11:30 at night.
Perfect. I have plenty of time. Is the bus 77 stop easy to find?
Yes. Go to the corner and look for a yellow sign. It says Bus 77 Airport Direction.
Thank you. You were very helpful.
Of course. Safe travels.
Excuse me, is this taxi free?
Yes, get in. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to Grand Hotel on 5th Avenue.
Do you know the address?
It is 240 5th Avenue, near the park.
Okay, I know that area. It will take about 15 minutes.
How much will it cost?
The meter starts at $3. I think it will be around $12 to $15 total.
That is fine. Can you take the faster route, please?
Sure. I will go through Oak Street. That avoids the traffic near the bridge.
Thank you. Can you turn left here?
Yes, I was going to turn here anyway.
Sorry, I just wanted to make sure.
No problem at all.
Can you slow down a little, please? I want to check the street name.
Of course. Take your time.
Okay, this looks right. The hotel should be just ahead on the right.
Yes, I can see it. I will stop in front of the main entrance.
Great. How much is the fare?
The meter says $13.50.
Here is $15. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please. My company needs it for expenses.
Here you go. Have a good stay at the hotel.
Thank you. You were a great driver. Hello. I would like to buy a ticket to Westfield.
Sure. When would you like to travel?
Today, if possible. This afternoon.
There is a train at 2:15 and another at 4:30. Which do you prefer?
The 2:15, please. Is there a seat available?
Yes. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. How long is the trip?
About 1 hour and 40 minutes. You will arrive at 3:55.
How much is the ticket?
A standard ticket is $28. A first-class ticket is $45.
I will take the standard ticket, please.
Okay. One standard ticket to Westfield on the 2:15 train. That is $28.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Just tap here.
Done. Which platform is the train on?
Platform 6. Go down the stairs, turn right, and it is the third platform on your left.
Is there a sign?
Yes, there are signs everywhere. Just follow the signs for Platform 6.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 1:55. Please be there 5 minutes early.
Okay. Do I need to show my ticket to get on?
Yes. Show this paper ticket to the staff at the gate, or you can scan the QR code on your phone.
I will use my phone. Is there a place to eat near Platform 6?
Yes, there is a small cafe next to Platform 5. It is very close.
Perfect. Thank you for all your help.
You are welcome. Have a pleasant journey.
Hello. Are you my driver? I ordered an Uber.
Yes. Are you going to Maple Street?
Yes, that is right. 35 Maple Street.
Great. Please get in. Your trip is about 12 minutes.
Thank you. Is the route okay? There was a lot of traffic earlier.
The app shows a good route. We will take Riverside Drive to avoid the center.
That sounds good. Can you check if the drop-off point is correct on your app?
Yes, it shows 35 Maple Street. Is that the right place?
Actually, can you drop me off at the corner of Maple Street and Oak Road instead? It is easier for me.
Sure. I will update the drop-off point now.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
No problem. Do you mind if I play some music?
Not at all. Please go ahead.
Is the temperature okay in the car?
It is a little warm. Can you turn the air on a little?
Of course. How is that?
Much better. Thank you.
We are about 3 minutes away now.
Great. Is there a problem with the payment? I used my card on the app.
Yes, everything is set. The payment goes through the app automatically.
So I do not need to pay you directly.
That is correct. The app handles it all.
Okay. We are here. This is the corner of Maple and Oak.
Yes, this is the spot. Have a great day.
You too. I will give you 5 stars.
Thank you very much. Take care.
Excuse me. Do you have a moment?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for the post office. Am I going the right way?
Actually, no. You are going the wrong way.
Oh no. How far is it from here?
It is not far. Maybe a 5-minute walk?
Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Go straight down this street until you see a big intersection.
Okay, straight down this street.
Yes. At the intersection, turn right. Then walk about 2 blocks.
Turn right at the intersection, then 2 blocks.
That is right. The post office is on the left side of the street.
Is there anything I can use as a landmark?
Yes. There is a green park on the corner before you turn right. You will see it easily.
A green park on the corner. Got it. And after I turn right, I walk 2 blocks.
Exactly. If you pass a pharmacy, you have gone too far.
Good to know. Is the post office a big building?
It is medium-sized. It has a blue door. You cannot miss it.
A blue door. Perfect. What are the opening hours? Do you know?
I think it closes at 5 in the afternoon. You should hurry. It is almost 4 now.
Oh, I need to move fast then. One more thing. Is there a shortcut?
Yes, actually. Go down the street, then take the small alley on your right after the bakery.
The alley after the bakery.
Yes. That alley cuts through and brings you out right in front of the post office. It saves about 2 minutes.
That is very helpful. Thank you so much.
Good luck. I hope you make it in time.